Hello all. In previous video, we discussed about the electric current, formula of the electric current, how to find the number of the charges in 1 coulomb. Right? In this video, we are going to discuss what is potential difference, how to find the unit of the potential difference. Before going to the class, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. What is potential? Potential means energy. Potential. We call potential. Potential means energy. Potential difference between energies. Before start my class, I will give a small task. We have two tanks. Both tanks kept at the same height, and we connect a tube between them, and both has equal amount of the water. Does the water flow from the one tank to other tank? Yes. Your answer is no. Now second one. Task 2. Now one tank is at some height, other tank one is down, and we connect the both tanks with a tube or a pipe, and both tanks has equal amount of the water. Does the water flow from the one tank to other tank? Yes, water will flow from the tank which is kept at height to down one. Question is, why the water flow from the tank at height to down? The simple answer is because there is a pressure difference between the two tanks at end of the tube or end of the pipe. So we know that water flows from the high pressure to low pressure. So top tank has high pressure and down one has a low pressure. Then water flow from the high pressure to low pressure. Similarly, we have the charges at end of the conductor. One point has a high pressure and other end has a low pressure. Then charges flow from the high pressure to low pressure because there is a electric pressure difference. There is electric pressure difference. If there is electric pressure difference, then charges flow from the high pressure to low pressure. Let's consider 2 points A and B. Say this is point A and this is a B. A has a majority of the positive charges and B has a majority of the negative charges. So it has a majority of the positive charges and it has a majority of the negative charges. Now observe the 2 points. Here it is a majority of the positive charges and here it is a majority of the negative charges. And the majority of the positive charges we call high potential and the majority of the negative charge we call low potential. Current flows from the high pressure to low pressure. So the current flows from the here to here. Current flows from high pressure to low pressure. At the same time, charges flow from the low pressure to high pressure. So electron flows from low pressure to high pressure, and this we call electric potential. The definition of the electric potential is work done on a unit charge to move from the one point to other point. So here, to move a charge from here to here or here to here, we need to do some work, right? So to move from here to here, work done on a unit charge to move a one point to other point is called potential difference. Potential difference is denoted by letter V. V is a potential difference. Now we do some work, right? We do the work on the unit, on what? On unit charge, and unit to charge. So V equal to W by Q. This is a formula for the potential difference. The W is work and Q is charge. We know that unit of the work is joule and unit of the charge is coulomb. So joule per coulomb is unit of the potential difference. Unit of the potential difference. We can write this as J. Okay, and this is we called volt. 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 So the unit of the potential difference is volt or joule per coulomb. V equal to 1 per joule per coulomb. Joule per coulomb, and this is equal to volt. This is equal to volt, right? This is equal to volt. That means here 1 voltage equal to, if 1 joule of the work is done to move a 1 coulomb of the charge from one point to other point, is called 1 voltage. How to measure the potential difference across the conductor? We use the instrument called voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the potential difference. And remember, voltmeter always parallel in a circuit. Ammeter is used to measure the current in a circuit. And remember, ammeter always connected in a series in a circuit. I think you understand the concept. Now, time for the questions. Type your answers in the comment box. Question number 1. Which device is connected in a parallel in a circuit? Question number 2. Which device is connected in a series in a circuit? Question number 3. Which device is used to find the potential difference between the 2 points? Which device is used to find the current between the 2 points? Now time for numericals. Question is, how much work done in a moving charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having potential difference 12 volt? He gave the charge and potential difference. We need to find the work done, right? We know that voltage equal to work by charge, right? Work by charge. We need to find the work, right? From these, work done W equal to V into 2. This equal to V equal to 12 into Q is 2. Is equal to 24 joule. So work done is 24 joule. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment.